each other.
That smells good.
Why does he smell so good?
That's our oldest.
That's just
man,
how it's-
Really?
Yeah.
You know, when I get here and see stuff like this, it's like see all the work that you've done and everything you've done. You know, it inspires me more to, you know, to be able to showcase what you're doing and get it out there. You know, I truly believe that, you know, success in doing things is about coming together and helping each other.
That smells good.
Why does he smell so good?
That's our oldest.
That's just
man,
how it's-
Really?
Yeah.
We're like, really?